Good morning, all my subscribers. This morning I have a turntable here, a record turntable. Telefunken is quite still in okay condition. I was asked from a work colleague to look into it. When they plug it in, then it makes a noise, a humming noise. What they do here, they bought like a Record Pro, so like an amplifier or a preamp. And then there's the input and the output, stereo and a ground, made in China, with a power adapter input. And then to amplify or to make the sound better. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at it and see if I can find the problem. Okay, just for interest sake, you can see here's the stylus, this little park sensor. When you can put it like this and it holds the stylus here. You lift it up and down, very nice. And then here's all the settings. I think there's a speed, different speed control, and there's a reset. I don't know what, but we will put it on now. Okay, let's just first start with the with the connections to see if all the connections. This is obviously aftermarket. They put this on, and then I'm just gonna put my phone here back on the stand. Okay, let's open one of these connectors to see if I can see. There's maybe something issue here. Okay, yeah, I can see here's the issue. Okay, see how this connectors work is, for you that don't know, this is like a center tap. This is obviously stereo. There's one channel, second channel. The center point is your live, and your ground is the outside or this connection. And now obviously they fasten both the center and the other side, the ground, on the same plane. Let me just undo this thing. I can show you. It's a screw here. You can see here's the problem. Look what I did here. So they actually shorted out. They not even used the front, the center part. It was not connected. So only the grounds was connected. So I should have picked up just some sort of signal between the two grounds. I'm gonna just have to redo it. Put the center nice in the middle there, and then the ground over here. So let's just check the other one also. It's nice connectors, I must say. So it's the same issue here. So we're gonna go and undo this connection here. Put it there. Okay, so there's a issue here. So now what you're gonna do is we need to make this thing neat. We're gonna skin that front part. Okay, I'm gonna switch off here for a while. I'm just gonna go and put some sleeving over here, make them nice and neat, and put them all back, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. I just want to show you what I did here. You can see here's the connection. You see there's a center part in my shoulder, the ground in the back part there. Okay, now we can put back the thing, and then we're gonna go and test it. Okay, I had to improvise a little bit. I used this computer speaker, a stereo system with a volume. Then we can test the system. Now in the back here with the RCAs, now this unit used to have like this little 35mm stereo plug, and then I took some old RCAs, then I skinned them, then I just cut the other wire also, and then connect them, the red and in the ground. Let me just put the focus here. You can see there's your stuff. If you touch here, if you put the volume, then if you touch normally by the input of the amplifier, you can hear the sound on the amplifier as the input. There's noise. And okay, now I'm gonna plug these things back in here, and we're gonna put a record in and check. Okay, I put a single of a double player on here, this black, what do you call it? There's the Beatles stereo, the Beatles 1962, and you can just put it on and see if you can hear anything. You'll see there, I plugged it in there now. So it is from the record player as the input on the preamp, and the output of preamp goes to the speakers. Okay, now we're gonna lift it up here. And lift it there. There it goes. There's a speed, a little bit faster. So this works nice. Let's put the volume on. So why should I know? 'Cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, I'm home. So the record is a little bit out in a scratch, so it's jump. There's an LP, this is what the word LP, long player. She brings to me, and I don't say. So I think this was a success. So we can just gonna clean up. Just for interest sake, you'll see there where the pickup, it's a small diamond needle, and then there's a crystal that when it vibrates, it gives a signal to the input as an input. Okay, let's lift it. I'll have to get another plate, LP. Let's switch it off and let's turn this around. Then the other side is also some music. Love me do, love me do, love me. Love me do. So here's the whole setup, and I believe if you have a big Wi-Fi or a better amplifier system, it will sound perfectly. I think we're just gonna get another player and another LP. I think supposed to have one somewhere in the house, and then we're gonna come back and play some other music. Okay, I'm back. I've managed to found a Kim Wilde 7 single, but I guess you have to set the speed a little bit faster now, because this is okay, there it goes, and then you let it go down. There's music from the 80s for you. Okay, so as I always say, when you finish with the project, clean it up, all the dirt, make it nice for the person, and I think that was a great success. Okay, then that is all from my side this morning, to just figure out the wiring. The person just managed to wire the input connections wrongly, and then it's working again. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up or subscribe. Till next time, cheers.